Find or read reviews that people are talking about GoGonova glue gun Zuel. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 20-second fast preheating and cordless design. Preheating faster. Only 20-second heating time to work. 5 times faster than ordinary glue gun, greatly shorten your waiting time. Work anywhere. Cordless design lets you work wherever you like, long distance crafting, high place, even the outdoor working, it will be your great partner. Anti-drip and gluing smoothly. The innovative dispensing system of this hot glue gun greatly reduces the dripping, saves more glue sticks and keeps your workbench cleaning. Ensuring the glue discharge smoothly without any mess, providing precise application for your projects. Make your crafting work easier. 5 minutes auto power off protection. Special design for you. The glue gun will turn off after 5 minutes not using automatically. Protects your safety and saves energy. Versatile applications. Got plenty of handcraft to make? This hot melt glue gun can apply molten adhesive to almost any material, such as plastic, fabric, cloth, wood, glass, metal and more. Whether you're working on packaging, craft projects, DIY repairs, or decorations, this glue gun is a versatile tool that can handle various tasks with ease. 25 pieces premium mini glue sticks. Additional 25 pikes strong adhesive and high purity mini glue sticks, 0.28 x 5.51 inch, are perfect for your long-term DIY need. Start today to your decoration project, make your special handcraft. Please note, this is a mini-size glue sticks, only work for small DIY projects, not recommend for any heavy-duty or large projects. USB-C rechargeable and ergonomic. Charging anywhere. This cordless hot glue gun adopts a USB-C port, compatible with your electronic product's USB-C cable, such as the laptop/PC, phone, more convenient for you. Suitable with 5V, 2A charger. The ergonomic handle let your crafting more comfortable. Please charge with the USB-C cable contained in the glue gun kit. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.